Hi, I'm John. We're here today at Start Safety in Worcester and we're going to show you how you can install your wheel stops. So this is the truck stop. Now, in order to get the right position of the truck stop, what we have to take in consideration is the overhang of the vehicle to the wheels. So what we don't want is a crush zone between the fence in this situation and the wheel stop. It's important when installing your wheel stop is to get the correct orientation of the wheel stop in the right position. In this case, we want the wheels to touch the shorter elevation of the wheel stop, the longer elevation to the rear. And we can do this same process for the coach stop as well. Thank you for watching this edition on how to install wheel stops with Start Safety. For further information, go to the website, which is startsafety.uk, or you can contact our team on 01905 794 875.